Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by 5x. This one by number 8. So we can do another factorization by 3y plus 1. This one that is about dy over dx. So dx go to the right, this one go to the left. Now we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one that is about 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of 3y plus 1, and I will put about c. The integration of 5x, we have 5x squared over number 2. The next one we have 8x, and I will put like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.